Building complex Power Pages sites requires balancing UI, Dataverse, and permissions. Claude Code and the Power Pages plugin simplify this into a single, AI-guided workflow. Let's dive in. In this walkthrough, we'll set up the Power Pages plugin within Claude Code and build a functional task manager site from the ground up. We start by triggering the Power Pages Create Sites command, passing in our specific site requirements. Claude immediately begins gathering the essentials, capturing the site name, preferred UI framework, and target audience to ensure the implementation aligns with our goals. The plugin then scaffolds the application structure and configures Power Pages config.json. This eliminates the need to pass parameters in PAX CLI commands. After analyzing the requirements, Claude presents a proposed set of features and visual themes. You can approve the defaults or request specific UI customizations before we move into the build phase. Behind the scenes, Claude dynamically invokes the necessary skills and CP servers and tools required for the task. Once the prototype is staged, you can preview the site locally using mock data. This is the ideal time to refine the design, iterate on functionality and UI locally to ensure everything is perfect before deploying to the cloud. With the design validated, it's time to go live. Claude utilizes the Deploy Site and Activate Site skills to move the local build into the Power Pages environment. Switching over to the Power Pages Design Studio, we can see our site is now active and ready for a live preview. Next, we need a robust backend. We will invoke the Power Pages Data Model Architect agent to design the task record schema. It generates a visual yard diagram for your approval before automatically provisioning the tables in Dataverse. Once the schema is live, we'll use the Setup Sample Data command to populate the environment, allowing us to test the site's behavior with real-world scenarios. By running Integrate Web API, Claude sets up secure data access between the front-end and back-end. The plugin automatically handles the table permissions and replaces our initial mock data with live, authenticated web API calls. To ensure the right people have the right access, we triggered Create Web Roles. This establishes the security backbone of the application. Finally, we'll configure the authentication provider, ensuring that our task manager is secure and accessible only to authorized users. Before we finish, let's verify our components. Custom Dataverse tables are live. Table permissions are locked down. Web roles are assigned. And the web API settings are fully enabled. Let's take a final look. Our Task Manager portal is now fully functional, secure, and ready for production testing. With Claude Code and the Power Pages plugin, developers can move from concept to deployment with unprecedented speed and confidence. Supercharge your development workflow. Try the Power Pages plugin with Claude Code or GitHub Copilot CLI today.